So here I'm going to show you how you can build this light stand with the light that you see here, all for under $40. So let me show you how you can easily do this. So here you see the light in the back, and then I have a long piece of PVC that is, it's 1-inch PVC. That's a 57-inch piece of PVC that you see in the back. And then I have 2 T-joints, 1-inch PVC T-joints, 2 elbow joints, and 2 couplings, all for 1-inch pipe. And then I have different pieces here. I have 2 13-inch pieces of pipe. I have 4 8.5-inch pieces, 2 8-inch pieces, and 2 3-inch pieces. And I'll put all that in the description. So what I do is I start building the 2 sides with the base. So this is the base of one of the sides, the left side. So I use one of the T-joints, and my 8.5-inch pieces go in there. And then for the rest, you can choose any of the sizes that you put in between the coupling. And then the elbow joint goes on top. And then I'll do the other side. So the other side, again, the base, you use the T-joint with the 2 8.5-inch pieces. And then you want to use the same length piece that you used on the other side to make it symmetrical. And the good thing about this design is that you can adjust the height as your plants grow. So at the start, your plants are low to the ground, low to the base. So you want to use a smaller height piece. And as they grow, you can swap out the pieces in between those couplings for the height of the stand, and use different sizes. So you can move the height up and down, and the light will move up and down with that. And then your light, you should get a light that, most lights will come with a chain and the hooks, and you want a light with an extension cord on it. But then you can wrap this chain on both sides around the pipe. And there's a lot of different ways you can build this. This is just the way that I did it. And here it is, all built again. And it's as simple as that. It's pretty easy, and it will hold one of these 4-foot lights. And here I'm just showing you how you can swap out different size pieces and change the height of this plant stand. And for the light, you want to get white LED daylight bulbs and 5,000 or more lumens and 6,500 Kelvin.